LumiForge. Let's print. After calibration is set, with the first two keys on the left of the printer frontal part, you can move both projector and carriage up or down, so that calibration remains always the same. Move them down until the carriage top edge is at resin level and just a thin layer of resin is covering the carriage. Let's move to the software third screen, Printing. Here you will find your model quick info and the printing bed as it appears. On top you can visualize all the layers that have been created during the slicing process. We advise you to check them before printing to see if there is any anomalous layer. On the right, you will find the automatic time set, but you can still adjust it manually. Let's explore the advanced setting. Click on Add Base if you want to create a square base underneath your model and set the exposure time. We advise not to use it in case your model is big. It will close the carriage holes important to resin strain. We advise to keep always the up and down movement flagged to improve the resin flow. And you can also adjust the waiting time before and after this movement. During printing, you can flag the stop servo key to keep the shutter open during all the printing process. When the model is big and quite filled, you can decide to use gradients to darken the internal part and minimize the layer swelling. Click on Make Gradients and then on Apply Gradients. With the curing time specialization table, you can set personalized exposure time for single or group of layers. For example, you can decide to extend the time for the first layers to make sure they adhere well to the carriage. You can add row if you need to set more personalized time. You can cancel all with Reset, or simply just triple the set exposure time for the first 3 layers. With Print Preview, you can see all the layers projected fast to check if they are correctly over the printing carriage. If they aren't, please check the manual for calibration advanced setting. On the bottom part, you can see the estimated printing time. Now let's start printing. The carriage will move a little up and the first layer will start to be projected. During printing, it is possible to pause and resume the process or just abort it. Once the printing is done, the carriage will move up automatically.